So first thing that we need to do is make up the stuffing mix. And that's just a shop bought packet. So 400 millilitres of boiling water to a full pack, give it a good mix, and then let it sit until it's completely cooled down. And again, we've got shop bought puff pastry because it makes life so much easier. We've just added a dusting of flour to this surface to stop it sticking. So now this stuffing is cooled down, we're going to take it and we're just going to spread it onto pastry. A nice thin layer as well if you can. We don't want it to too much. And for sausages, we're just using regular sausage. And we're just going to remove that outer skin. And for me, this is the quickest and easiest and cheapest way to make sausage rolls. And then I'm going to just roll them a little bit to thin them out. You don't have to if you don't want to. Then we can just pop them on top of that stuffing. And then we need to roll it over. Not all the way at the moment, we're just getting a marker. Like that. And then we're going to go down edge with some egg wash to help glue this pastry together. And that's just one egg that I've whisked with a little bit of milk to thin it out. And now we can go roll again. And try and keep it as tight as you can when you do that. Then I'm just going to carefully run down that edge with a knife. Once we've done that, we can turn it seam side up. I'll just go back down it with a fork to make sure we've got a definite seal. Then we can pop them on a baking tray. First we need to portion them out, and I'm going to make them party size. So I always find that using a serrated knife works best. Don't squash it. We'll get these on that tray. And then we just need to repeat that process for a second lot. And then we're going to give it one go over with this egg wash to help with browning. And they need to go into a preheated oven at 190 or 170 if it's fan assisted, and they'll take about 30 minutes, so just keep an eye on them. 35 minutes later, and we've got a tray of lovely little sausage and stuffing rolls. There you go, easy to make and full of flavour. A traditional sausage roll with that sage and onion twist to it. Try these at home, see what you think of them. I'm pretty sure you're not going to be disappointed. And if you're interested in seeing other recipes and you've not already subscribed to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next recipe.